everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of Mamaearth Cocoa Face Scrub. So the product looks like this, and in this video I am going to share with you all the details about this product and whether it is worth buying or not and how it works on me. So if you are interested, please keep watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, scrubbing is a very important skincare routine that you should maintain. You should scrub once or twice a week and not more than that, because if you over scrub your face or any other part, it may break out. So at least once in a week is good, and if you have very much whiteheads or blackheads, then you can go for 2 times. I scrub once a week, and that's enough for me. And this product is Mamaearth Cocoa Face Scrub, and it is suitable for all skin types. So whether you are oily or combination skin or a dry skin person, that doesn't matter, you can use this. So this product is a 100-gram pack and it retails for 349 rupees, and I bought this from Nykaa and I didn't get any discount, and I'm so sad because in other website you get a little bit discount, and in Nykaa now also they are not giving any discount on this product particularly. So this product claims that it is paraben free and SLS free and dermatologically tested. So that's a yay point of this product, and this contains coffee and cocoa extracts in it, and it is also made in India. So if you want to support Indian brands and you don't like to buy China products, then this is a great option for you. And this is also cruelty free, so it's again a very yay point of this product. So this product has very soft and little particles in it, so the scrubbing bits are really very soft on your skin. So when you exfoliate your skin, it is very gentle on your skin, you will not feel any irritation. So it's really very soft guys, and the smell, oh my god guys, the smell is so nice. It smells like real chocolate. So if you are a coffee fan or a chocolate fan, then you will surely going to like this product. And let me show you the consistency of this. And one more thing guys, you really need a very small amount of this product to exfoliate your face. So this has a very shine to it, and it's kind of a gel consistency. It is not very much creamy as you can see, and it has really very tiny scrubbing bits in it. It's not very big, and it's really very soft on your skin. And after using this, when you finally wash your face, you will feel that your skin has become more softer than before, and it really hydrates your skin and it doesn't make your skin dry. So for the dry skin person, I think that it's a really very good scrubbing product for you. And I am a oily skin person and I have really very acne prone and sensitive skin, and these products really works for me very well. So no matter whether you have dry skin or oily skin or combination skin, I think that you can use this and you will love this product guys. And oh my god, the smell is just taking my heart guys. It has a very nice fragrance, and it's not that strong fragrance because normally I don't like very strong fragrance in my skincare or even in my makeup products, but it has a very subtle smell and the smell is really very nice guys. And guys, this product is a little bit in the pricier side according to me, because I have already used many other scrubbers which are really cheaper than this product. But considering that this is a paraben free and SLS free and also tested by the doctors, so I think that and also it is cruelty free and made in India. So considering all those pros, I think that this is a good product, and I will highly recommend these products to you guys. And always go for the smaller version of any product when you buying it for the first time. I in fact say this thing in all of my videos, because I really think that you should buy the smaller one if you are trying this for the first time. and if it suits your skin, then go for the bigger one. And I don't know whether it is available in a smaller bottle. It's obviously available in a bigger version. I think this is the smallest one, I think, because I always prefer to buy the smaller one. So guys, that is it for today. If you like this video and found this video useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about my videos. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. Please go and have a look, and until next time, stay happy, stay tuned, and stay safe. Bye bye guys.